Alright. Alright. So, this is quite the thing. Actually, that boundary is this one. City boundary. So, what do you look like? What is this whole thing? So what happens if I do just replace the whole thing? Just need to see what the start of this looked like. Yep, okay, so let's just do that. What does that do? Still okay with that? You are. Perfect. So I don't need to do any futzy weird thing. So I guess I would just fetch it, right? Yeah, this might not be super stoked. I'm gonna go on a limb here and try just a fetch. Geojson. Oh, yeah. So, wait, hold on. I already did it. Haha. It's already there. So I've got this. There's the whole data. Perfect. So it's a weird word. Contents. Let's just console log it. See if that works. Right? Huh, alright, cool. So we're gonna do this, initialize the data, new fetch function. Just gonna do this for now. I'm gonna move this and here. So my fetches are also doing the transformative stuff. So then, gotta collapse that so I can do it at all. So we need to add a source to the map, and then we need to add boundary. Okay. We're gonna pass map because well, actually map is a global thing right now, right? But it's fine. Let's pretend it isn't. Okay. Oh, that's not... Actually, hold on. I could do something with fetch where I can specify fetch. I wonder if this my fan, my little crappy desk fan, is getting picked up by the mic. Let's see. Oh, perfect. Might be in the headers. Let's go use it. Yeah, okay, there is the responsive JSON, which will work. Mm-hmm. We've got data. And then we're going with this. Jesus. Go at you. Let's just collapse features here. Data. Go like that. We're all cool there. Cool. So on the map load, because we need to actually. Another thing, should we fetch it first or should we try? It doesn't really matter for now. I'll just go like that. I mean, that is actually trying it after the fact, so it's fine. So, did it break it? No. Excellent. So now they can have a geojson boundary file if they want one. So this will fetch that file, grab the JSON contents, which is just a step. Don't really need to do that, but it's fine. And then we will add the source to the map and fill it in. Cool. So that, if you're following along at home, no styles for H2 right now. What I've been using is Mapbox, and I had like a predefined map kind of drawn into it like this. I thought I got rid of the Google tile set. God, I hope this isn't in like me just screwing around. Okay, you. Trash. Publish? Publish. Oh no, I hope that works. Seems to still work. Let's double check. Let's get rid of that. Ah, nuts. Okay. Well, maybe none of that code works. Let's find out. Let's see, here's my data set. Here's the map. Hold on, maybe. Same there. How's the map going? It's going, except I think something's getting cached here. This boundary shouldn't be here, because I commented out the thing that should be drawing it on there, and I got rid of it out of here. So like, this is what the map should look like, and yet it is retaining the old stuff. Which is very strange. But, how's the map going? To answer your question, yesterday, so, as a little demonstration, this is the current data set. It's just an Excel document that I'm publishing through here. So I'm publishing the sheet as a CSV. So this is actually the URL that I'm importing. So I fetch that, and then I parse the CSV, and then I can add the pens onto the map through that document. In addition to that, I created and this is an optional thing, I guess, but there's a second sheet that I just made with a category that just had like, you know, types of businesses, which I just created as a lookup thing in here. And then this will automatically generate an array of categories, because my plan tonight, other than getting this boundary thing to work, is to be able to filter based off of the category. And I added in an optional thing to be able to kind of like map certain categories to predefined colors. Otherwise, another thing on the list is to fall back to like a predefined selection of colors. So if you don't have one, I'll assign one, so they're not all just blue. But you could also override it and have specific colors for specific categories if that's the thing that you want. Also, obviously, I have to specify if there is a category. Otherwise, I'll just leave them all the same color. But what I want to know right now is why... Ah, okay, there we go. So it just took a little bit for that thing to catch up. So now, let's undo my fetch boundary function. Okay, cool. It's not drawing the outline at the moment. Interesting. Okay. Which is what this is supposed to do. Huh. That's very interesting. Well, time to look at the documentation. Fill outline color. Requires fill anti-alias to be true. Okay. Do I have to set that? Do I actually have to like do this? But overall, in Rocket, it's coming along slowly but surely. Okay, wasn't that? Fill in color to the fill. It matches the value of fill color if unspecified. Okay, yeah. So you are a type of fill. Visibility. Where the layers displayed, okay. Just the frame of reference, no. Geometry offset, no. Okay, no. I don't have a fill pattern. Yeah, this should just work. That's very weird. I wonder if I could create a line. Could I just add a layer that's a line based off of the source of the boundaries? Let's find out. Boundaries. Sure. So, what do you have? Line color. Oh, let's find out. Yep. Okay. I should be able to do that all in one, but it's not. But that's fine. I'll take it. At least I'm not loading 2 data sets to do it. Line opacity. Yeah. Opacity. I don't know. What do I have the other one set to? 0.08 is probably not going to show up, so let's go with 40%. Yeah. Yeah, I think that works. Okay, cool. So, yeah. Now, we have a function called fetch boundary that will fetch my local geojson object. If it exists, I should probably... Eventually, I'm going to parse a bunch of the variables out of this into something that just like at the top where just like fill these in, and then the rest of the script will just kind of run. I'll get there. That is a cleanup step as far as I'm concerned. So the first thing I want to do is, originally my map box had like a predefined grid and everything all kind of loaded into it, and I didn't want that. Because again, I'm trying to make this reusable. So ideally, all I want for people to have to do is at most like this. Like at most, just do this. Because I can just keep this style going if people don't want to bother changing it, right? So all they need to do is create basically a Mapbox account and get an access token, put it in, and set their center coordinates, and yeah, I'm trying to. The whole point of what I'm building with this is I'm trying to make the barrier to entry as low as possible. Insofar as like, if you'll notice right now, the only things I'm importing are like some third-party libraries that have CDNs. And that's like it. Otherwise, I'm running this all in just straight JavaScript. And even then, right now it's ES6, but meh. And it's all just in an index file. Eventually I'll split that out, but I'm trying to make it into a small enough package that anybody who wants to run this doesn't need to have a fancy server. Like, I don't want to have a database. That's the whole point of the CSV import. And, you know, Google Docs is free. I mean, I'm not a fan of necessarily making it Google, but whatever. It is free. A lot of people use it. And, like, have that be a database, so to speak. Set some variables up at the top, and put the index file and whatever just somewhere that can be hosted, and it just works. That's my aim. So I didn't want to spin up like a whole project, you know, with an npm install and all that jazz. I didn't want to do that. I'm doing this kind of old school because I wanted people to be able to be like, here's a zip file, unzip it, go into this file, change these things, and you're done. That's what I want, and I want to just work. So yeah, it's interesting because you kind of forget how to do half this crap because you're so used to fancy libraries doing it all for you. But yeah, I'm trying to make this not idiot proof because that's incorrect and also rude, but easy to use, easy to replicate, ideally. So anyways, how have you been, Rocket? Me just talking about what I'm trying to do here. So yeah. Okay, so now under the quick nav, we're going to have working on engagement in the Discord. Yeah, it's a difficult one. It's a difficult one. Giving people a reason to visit new people. Yeah. That one is always difficult. I mean, I myself don't visit a lot of the people in the stream. Like, I'm as guilty of it as a lot of the other people in there. Like, I visit some, but not often. One, I have limited time to visit. And two, that Discord primarily services a lot of streamers who stream a type of content that I'm not super into, personally. Like, I'm, like, the weird stepchild of the family that's playing, like, when I play games, because I've been on vacation, like, point-and-click adventure games, and Picross, and, you know, like, not the Apexes and Call of Duties and the Valorants and etc. That is pretty popular in the Discord. So it's an interesting challenge. Yeah, you have a common genre. So for me, it's a little bit more difficult to visit those because like I have nothing in common with those particular games. I'm not obviously judging anyone for liking those games, playing those games, building their career on them. That's totally fine. But it's hard for me to go in, show up into their stream while people are, you know, shooting guns and talking. Just be like, I don't know how to relate to this, which is just a personal failing, I guess. But ID is filters. And right now, this is all div soup as well. I have to go back and, you know, accessibilize the whole thing. You know, wrap things in a form and field set and all that jazz. But for now, quick and dirty. Yeah, that is another. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, I remember I don't have the chat up on here. Not everyone is a good streamer. We have a lot of people learning and growing and questioning your own skills. Yeah, I mean, me too, buddy. But yeah, that's also the thing, is not everyone is an engaging streamer. Not everyone who wants to go to the streams wants an engaging streamer, to be fair. You know, not everyone can be a super fun personality that's like super engaging and all that jazz. Some people just want to stream and, you know, do their thing and not be as active in their chat, and that's, or with their chat, and that's cool too. Okay, so there's active filters, and then we're going to put a list in here of okay, we're going like that. Okay, so we're going to start with unselected. This is a default. So yeah, there's our garbage, which is totally fine. So we need initialize. We initialize the data. Fetch. So in here we create the categories. This is how we generate the categories with their colors. So outside of the for each, actually, what do we call init data? Because this is all synchronous anyways. So yeah, we're going to call a new function that doesn't exist yet. Filters items. We are going to pass categories to it. Filter items. What do we call this? Filters. Like that. People are finding themselves within it. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, and there's definitely there's the range of streams for like extremely skilled gameplay to being entertaining to watch, and so finding where you land in there, or at the very least where you want to land in there, and then, you know, working towards it. Checklist item. Okay, so we can hijack a bunch of this right now. Well, we can hijack some of it. Don't want the list item, or it's not going to be a link. This is going to be the it's going to be the checkbox label. Yeah, okay. It's an outlet for most people. Yeah. Yeah, for me, like, even myself, the reason I started doing any streaming wasn't to, you know, make it big. It was a way for me to make sure I'm playing video games. And, quite frankly, playing video games that I might not otherwise play, even though I like the genre. Like, I love adventure games. But I never really set the time aside on my own to play them. This is not a thing I did. But with streaming, I can kind of make myself accountable to it. So it's kind of tricking my own brain into doing the thing that I want to do. So label dot. Oh god, how does this work? Actually, costs. Is equal to amount of put. Can I do this? Is this gonna work? I have no idea if this is gonna work. I have absolutely no idea if that's gonna work. Let's find out. Checkbox dot. Oh, no, so let's just rename this to label. So label dot. I also need to make the. How do I do this? Let's just go like this. No. Hold on. There's a way to wrap. Just have to append inner text, right? Inner HTML. Okay, you know what? Yeah, let's go like that. God. Append the checkbox. And then label.inner HTML. God, I hope this works. Oh, hold on. Because that's an object. That is not. Yeah, this ain't gonna work. I have to go. Keys dot for each. Here's our key. You're gonna lurk? Cool. Well, thanks for stopping by, sir. Object filter item. We're gonna give it a key, and then we will give it the color. Yeah. Let's just do that. There we go. So that's how we're gonna do that. So, inject filter item. You take the category, and you take a color. So we're just gonna append the category just as text into the label. And then, we're not doing that right now. Append child label. And then we're gonna go to fill filters dot append child list item. Yeah, sure. Okay, so that's getting called. So first thing we do is we scrub the children, and then we're gonna loop through keys of categories. I know there's the key value one, they can get you both, it's fine. Inject the filter item. I'm even using all these for eaches, which might not work in older browsers, because I'm not transpiling this at all. So there might be a whole bunch of for loops that get dumped into this. Most modern browsers can handle it. I don't think I have to deal with IE 11, probably. Okay. I've heard a lot of the same songs going on here. There's supposed to be a... This is pop. There's supposed to be 21 hours of tracks, and I've just got... I started with this song. Very weird. Okay. Let's just see what happens. You're pop far to undefined. Okay. Excuse me? Excuse me? Okay, yeah, it's definitely there. Oh wait, hold on. Is it a function? I think it is. Yeah. Oh yeah, I totally screwed that up. It's... Yeah. That's not how that syntax works even a little. I mean, you would hope, but it is not. Alright, there we go. Okay. Tagging provided. Yeah. Yeah. That was definitely asking too much. Oh, hold on. Maybe my syntax is just bad? Yeah, no. Still too much to ask. That's fine. Let's create a moment. You take options, right? I wonder. What are the options? What are the options? Oh, okay. Yeah, so the options are for doing fun templatey stuff. We're not doing that. Kicking old school. Set attribute of type 2b. Checkbox. The label's not defined because it's a $sign. Okay, there we go. And then starting life with I think that'll be okay. Yeah, okay. So then, perfect. That does what I want it to. So we're not going to put the click event on the checkbox itself. Are we? No. So this is one of those things where I don't remember. JavaScript field set checkbox get values. In a group, yeah. Ugh, no. Okay, minus jQuery, please. Okay, this is just looping like the same couple songs. We're changing music now. Yeah, it's just playing the same. What is going on here? Okay, kill you. Start over. Something is amiss with Pretzel. Yeah, it's just playing those same 3 songs over. I have no idea why. Alright. What's under happy? Hold on. We're just going to double check that we get... Okay, this has a selection of songs. I guess it really comes down to, do I want to have... do I want to have an apply button? So you have to like open this and set things? Or can I just like do this and have it filter on check? Let's go with just the check for now. Sure. I have initialized listeners. I wonder if I can do something like available add event listener for checked. Oh, I think that's the event. What? No, this is terrible. That's a bad example just anyways. That's an on-click. And property change. Oh, property change isn't... That's fun. Okay. There we go. Let's just change. Yeah, okay. That's... yeah. Let's just... Let's just do that. Just gimme. Gimme what you're gonna gimme. There we go. Okay, cool. Sure. We'll come back to that. That is exactly what I wanted, though. Yep. Perfect. Okay, so now value is equal to... No, wait. Yeah, yes. Yes. I want to do that. Sure, we'll come back to that. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make the dot. We're gonna reuse the dot. Dot. No, that wasn't it. Should just be able to do this. Do that, and then one of these. Style. Let's get a little more consistent with my single and double quotes here. And we're gonna basically go like this. Okay, good. So we can pull the colors through. So there's the dot, there's the checkbox, there's the label, and then appending them all. I know I could, like, cobble a string together and inject it, like, into an array, into a join, but eh. That's always been a little hacky. It works, but it's always been a little hacky. Excuse me. Okay, so there we go. So we now got those, and they will now I can do something on the checkbox. So that's back up here. So I need to perform filter, right? Which is this function here. So this is an interesting one. I need to pull up fuse real quick. Should be extended search. No, it's logical. Yeah, this one. That seems complicated. Don't want nested search, don't want weighted search. Nope. Cool, so you have this idea of logical query operators. And yet you don't have an example of it in your documentation. Like, this is not super useful. Because what if I want to search on multiple categories? I guess I'd have to toggle those together. So. Okay, so. Okay, and this is where it gets a little more complicated. So we have this category. We're going to reuse this. So we're going to do like this. We're going to complicate our objects. Active? Enabled? Enabled, right? Yeah. Oh, hold on. Yeah. Yeah, you know what? That's fine. Enabled. So I guess you could technically default to having categories disabled if you wanted to do. You could use this to do it. That's fine. So if the category doesn't exist, then we create a new thing where our color is this, and what did I call it? Enabled. We default any new category to being enabled. Excuse me. Okay, so that fixes that. So we now have a data object we can play with a little bit more. Then, injecting a list item and a category color. Oh no, hold on. There we go. That's what we want. That's a little brittle. It's fine. Okay, yeah, so it's not color anymore. Change that to key. Cool. Key. And we will change this to category. Oh my god. I don't know why it's doing that. No, that should be key. Key. Yeah. Background color is now going to be equal to color. This should actually be set to category enabled. Tell that default. Okay. Okay, good. So that's that. So our injector should be fixed. We do need to fix the pin color though. Category. Where do we have the color? Oh, there we go. Jesus. Okay. So let's just make sure I didn't break anything. Okay, good. Color still exists. No, wait, that's the wrong one. Cool. So our objects exist now. The checkboxes are doing their defaulty job, which is good. So now, yes, I need to create. Let's perform filters. Let's do this. Filter change. We're going to take the event. Yeah, okay. So we're going to go const val is equal to e.target.value. Actually, I need to check the event again real quick. Target checked. Yeah. so then we have to go category based on val, because the key is the value. Checked is equal to e.target.checked, and then filter results here. Something like this, and we go like this. I should probably debounce that. So if you're just messing with the filters, it takes a second. Actually, it takes a quarter of a second. And let's just see if that works. So check, check, check. Check, check. Cool. That's set to false. Oh, you're not supposed to say checked, though. Enabled. Yeah, cool. So that's setting that. So then we have to perform a filter. So performing a filter, actually, this function just works. Yeah. Wait. Yeah? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So I do need to change this a tiny bit. Function on input change. So that part's the same. You know what? I change what if I do this? I already have that, don't I? I do. Yep, it's literally right there. Okay, const filter val is equal to this dot value dot trim. So if we don't have a value, we can do some stuff. So first we have to get const data yeah, filtered data set is equal to, and I need a function here, so I don't need this. And then we perform, so drop E completely. No, perform filter. So we can call that. We'll adjust the debounce on the filters to be a little more aggressive than a quarter of a second. Alright, so we need to actually, I think I can use Fuse for this. Using this stuff, it's just going to be bad. Gotta turn all this stuff back on. I have to create an array of, yeah, okay, so active categories is equal to categories.filter cool. So I have active categories here, and then the array. Yikes. Yeah, so then we can go like this dot map category, and we can do this category is equal to oh nuts. Okay. Because we don't have the key anymore. So this complicates itself further. It's not the worst, but yeah, that's better because that's one less process I have to do. That also means this can just take a category now. You can go like this, go category.key. Okay. There we go. Could probably just convert the whole thing to an array at this point, but whatever. Okay, so we close those back up. Category is equal to is equal to the key. So there's our filtered data set. Nope, we actually have to map that again because it does the stupid items return thing. Okay. And then if we have a filter value, or if we don't have a filter value, we're going to filter on the filtered data set. Otherwise, fudge. Create data set there. Okay, hold on. Okay, we can actually do this all in one search. Hold on, can I combine ands and ors? Yes. Well, okay, maybe. I don't know if I have extended searching imported right now, so we're gonna find out. Let's find out. Okay, there's our whole or. Kill this. So we go $and. Name. Actually. Oh, this sucks. So this has to be a collection of ands. No, wait. Oh god. I'm so bad at this stuff. we need a bunch of ores here for the various things that we're searching against. Which is these. Oh hell, wait. Can I get that back, please? Okay, just put this somewhere. Okay, so we need and it's gonna be at least, yeah, and then we need an ore where okay, let's do this. Name is equal to okay, is equal to this. Yeah. Oh my god, this is disgusting. So one of those. Okay. Let's do that for me. Nope. Do that for me so I can read. Go there. Okay. You just, thank you. Okay, and Mighty Master 99, welcome. Hello. And then one of these. Oh my god. Okay. How am I doing? I'm doing alright. I'm breaking my head a little bit at the moment, to be honest. Yeah. So then we ditch this. Yeah. I'm trying to maximize the leverage on a little search filtery library, having never done it before, not even knowing if it's gonna work. So categories that filter is not a function. Yeah. Yeah, that makes sense. Absolutely. That makes perfect sense. Okay, yeah. I have to do it this way. Value? That, damn it. Hold on. I have to remember. Values? Is it values? Yeah. Okay. There we go. That should give us this. Yeah, alright, fine. You want to do that prettier? That's fine. Categories not defined. Where? Oh, yeah, right. Because I called it this. Yep. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so let's start with stripping out stuff and effectively producing just the fuse based off the search without the categories right now. That ain't right. Oh, Jesus. Log, there we go. Okay. You shouldn't be matching all of them. Alright. Okay, this is a bit of a fool's errand. That's okay. Pull you out of there. Oh, hold on. Get rid of that. Just for a second. I don't think it's gonna make a difference. Yeah, that makes sense. Give me that. What is that gonna give me? Okay, cool. Wait, what? Yeah. Hey, can I just see this super quick? Just like super quick. Yeah. Category. Category. You might not like that. Let's do this the hard way. Get all of those, make everything happy again. Just oh. Where's your key? Oh, I didn't add the key. That would do it. That would do it. Key is equal to in that category. Alright, so maybe I just had some bad data. Nope. You definitely got those. I don't know what. Invalid value for key 0. Okay. Okay, so you've got different distributions here. Which one am I using? Which one did I bring in? Do I have extended search? I think so. Should. So what does that mean? This does not look... This does not look like the unminified one that I wanted. Okay, let's bring in the full fuse. Okay, good. That's a much bigger line. That's better. Nope, don't do that. Run 2. Great. Oh, it's just breaking right on the expression, huh? Query is that, which is this, which is an array. Okay. So what's your beef? You want or? Okay, what does this give me? Yeah. 410, which I think is the line I want, right? Yeah. Yeah. What's your beef? That should work. According to your own documentation. One array. Which is what this does. Well, that's irritating. Okay, now, is it because I don't have... Hold on. Let's just see. I don't think that should make a difference. Okay, good. Because that wouldn't have been correct. I don't really want to create a fuse object every time I want to do stuff. Okay, you know what? Let's go the other way. It's gross, but whatever. We'll go backwards. Can I go backwards? Yeah. Yeah, I can. I can. So scroll this. We'll flip it on its head a little bit here. Search. So actually we're gonna go about it like this. So we have a filter value. Wait, let me just super quick. I just need to remember what this thing was getting past before filter data set. Pretty sure it was just data set. Right? Yeah. Give me that. So I don't lose it. So yeah, we start life with just data set as the filter results. Right? So we have a filter value. We go like this. So this processes them to apply the filter thing, and then we do an additional processing outside of the if. Actually, we go like this, and we go like this. Then we call generate list items based on this dot map filter. Right? Hold on. Okay. Okay. Ooh, this biggie. Can I simplify this? Yeah, let's go like this. So that gives the active category keys. Jesus, yep. And then I can filter on the results where item dot category where, oh my god, this is gonna be hilarious, index of is not equal to -1. Okay. Oh no. I don't think I can be proud of that line of code, but I think it'll work. Right, so if I go like this, I think I need to change some data sets a little bit here. Hold on. Okay, good. That really should just be returning one thing. I think I need to tone down the fuzziness. Oops. Threshold. Yeah, let's tone the threshold way down. Which is up here. Set the threshold to like 0.2. This is where we have to tinker. Okay, so I think I need to get lower than that. Get really close. What's my allowance of deviation here? Yeah, that's not right. Because if I set threshold to 0, it has to be a perfect match. Right? That's weird. That's very weird. How low can I make the threshold? Okay. so that's starting at the start of the string. Hold on. Oh, actually, I think it's distance. Determines approximately... Yeah, okay, so I need to... let's crank this up. Okay, yeah. Is there one? Let's really crank that down. That's so weird. That is so weird. Okay. Fine, for now. I don't like that. I don't like determines approximately where in the text is the pattern expected to be found. I don't like that. Oh. Oh. Oh, it's also a beta thing. Huh. Oh no, that's extended search. That's not the logical operators. That was not the same thing. Yeah, we're not doing that. Okay. Alright. Oh, good. That works. After me messing around with the filter text box forever. Alright. Nah, you're right. I don't want to deep bounce. Okay, so I need to not debounce this. That's bad. Makes sense. Okay. What we do want is bounce of this. I think that'll do it. Because we want to toggle yeah, okay. That's what I wanted. Because we want the checkboxes to update the data set immediately, but we don't want to perform the search immediately because someone could theoretically be someone could be messing with these things. So if I go like this, I don't want to perform a search each time. That's just aggressive and doesn't really benefit the end user. Okay. So that's that. Okay, so we need a new function here. Function set. Set. I'm just gonna do this. So now we go back up here. Collapse a bunch of stuff that we don't need at the moment. Oh, excuse me. Okay, so can't go like this. Yeah, let's just go like that. So I don't think we actually need this one. Should have taken the time to make a lint file. Actually, I don't need that in there. I'm not using it literally anywhere else, so there you go, like this. And then costs. Nope. Oh wait, we'll do it that way. So we'll do actually do that somewhere else. So hi cat. Just do that. There's a little helper here because we do it in a couple of spots. Get to, okay. So like this. Then we can go this. Go like this dot, and our text is equal to nope. Dot join. Okay. And then in here, we go if filters.length, do the thing. Else. We just set it back to, oh. Oh. If it has a length and active filters length is not equal to that. So that should say all. That should say food. Go back to all. There we go. Okay. Okay, so we have our extremely simple filtering mechanism working. So button. Alright. I know I could just be putting direct like on-click events, but I prefer to initialize listeners because in fact, thinking about it. No, wait. Because filter is not that. That's under quick nav, so yeah, that's fine. I'll do a whole pass on cleaning this thing up later. Oh, it's Prettier that's doing that. Okay. Okay, on click. Let's create another thing here. So let's screw these together. On does JavaScript have like a toggle class? No, I don't want jQuery. Just wondering if there's like a fun... Yeah. Older browsers. What is the support for that? Oh my god. So it just doesn't work in IE 10. It sort of works in whatever. Partial support. Not support for SVG elements. Oh, okay. Okay, so we can do that. So, what did I call it? Doing a toggle. Expanded. Yeah, we're just gonna do that for the moment. And yeah, okay. So we're going to do this the extremely gross way at the moment. Oh, what did I call it? Will that do what I want it to do? Almost certain it's not gonna look right. Yeah. Yep. Well, let's fix that real quick. can do that. Okay, and then oh god. I'm not even gonna try and remember how to do this because I never get to do it. Animation. Oh, actually, because there's something weird about expanding the height. Ah. That's literally transition. That was it. Yeah. CSS transition. How do you specify multiple again? I think it's just space limited. Oh. No, okay. Scan dash out. It's common. Really? Huh. Oh, that's much better. Yeah. Much better. Because they're all going to be the same. That's color. No, we want this and this. Like I said, one of the biggest things about a developer is auto is knowing how to Google things that you can't quite remember. Ironically, I think I actually want to roll this back. Yeah, I do, because I want certain things to happen at different times. So the max height, I want you to take half a second, and then opacity, I want you to take much less time. Okay, it doesn't like that. I wonder why the column doesn't work. Oh wait, hold on. I rolled it back in a weird order. Nope. Oh, nope, not you. You. What's your beef? Oh, is this the invalid part? Yep. Add unit. Let's swap these around. Let's set the max height to be, well, let's set the max height to take a little bit of time, and set the opacity to take a little bit longer. Yeah. Okay. What the hell is your... what is this? Why do you have so much margin? Jesus. No, that's not none. Zero. Alright. That works. That might cause a bit of a jump. Yeah. Nah. I'll resolve that in a different way. That is less gross. It's fine. I can just put it on the button. It's fine. Three pixels on the top, 5 on the sides. Let's just go like that. Yeah, it's a little better. Yeah, we'll just leave it like that for the moment. Ugh. Okay. Then No, there must be a better thing. Has class? Contains. Yeah. That's what I thought. I was right. Contains. Okay. All right. Okay, so we have to deal with that edge case. I gotta change the word filters to categories. Maybe that'll make a lot more sense. Okay. All right. So far, so good. We have categories. We can draw a map. We can put pins down. The pins can have custom colors. All right, default colors. I'm gonna probably be calling it tonight around now, but it's a list of things to do for next time. Oh yeah. What else? So, I have to add the default category counter, so if we don't have a category, we want to have that backup array to rotate through. If categories just don't exist, I need to deal with that. That's a whole... the categories are, in their entirety, completely optional. So I need to be able to just remove that. Another one is right now, the description text, this stuff, is markup, as you can see here. That's bad. You don't want that. So I'm gonna have to figure that out. Yeah, I have to figure that out. Might just be a pre-tag with forced word wrap on. I think that might actually kind of, and then obviously styles. I should just write that down. It's like make pretty. Make accessible. This right now is not accessible. What else? There was one other thing. My brain's getting tired now. I guess I have to make the geofence thing optional. So if they just don't want to draw a border, they don't have to. I guess just general code cleanup. Just like organizing my functions into logical sections. And another option part is going to be quite literally making it easy. So a lot of that is just having like a section of variables up at the top where you can say like add your things here, and the rest of it will just kind of work ideally. Yeah, I think that's going to do it for me tonight. So we will now update my my glitch. Put that in there. We need to bring in a new file. City. Boundary singular. Like this. Save. Which now means if I go like this, I go like this. Cool. Uh-oh. What's going on? Hey, hey. That was weird. Oh, it was happening. It's just because the things are all named the exact same. My brain was getting confused. Cool. So my glitch for public facing has been updated with the latest content, or whatever I want to call it, latest code. So that's cool. So I got a laundry list in extremely good writing that you probably can't read to keep me busy on this project a little bit. And hopefully after Saturday I will have a bit more contact with the local Black Heritage Society, the Guelph Black Heritage Society, so I can actually really talk to them and be like, hey, look at this thing that I'm building, because they know about it, they're really interested in it. But they're busy with, quite frankly, more important things. So when they're done with that particular event, hopefully they can make some time to see what I'm working on. If not, I mean, I've still got a laundry list. So yeah, I think that's gonna do it for me tonight. Don't need that anymore. Don't need that anymore. Don't need that open anymore. So okay, we're coming along. This could definitely be cleaned up. Definitely. Like, we'll move the styles into a style sheet and all that jazz, but we don't need to worry about that right now. So I guess we can just switch back to that one. Not that that matters, but we can switch back to that one now. Yeah. Cool. Okay, well, with that, that is going to do it for me tonight. So, thank you for watching. And hope you're staying safe out there. If you are participating in various protest action, you know, stay safe, because it turns out the police don't like being protested about. Who would have thought that a bunch of people who have power and guns would be upset when people don't like how they use them in a discriminatory fashion? It's so weird. And I mean, if you're not protesting, I hope that you're participating in some way, however you can. But if you can't, I hope you're taking care of your mental health. Because boy howdy, these are some trying times. Because in addition to, you know, all the protesting going on, there's still COVID. That's still a thing. So it's a lot for anyone. So, you know, just, you know, take care of yourself and all that jazz. So until next time, yeah, stay safe, have fun, and I'll see you later.